everyone, today it's time for the surprise shape. If you remember, yesterday we made this circular design and I promised to make a surprise shape for you today. So today we are going to make an octagon. Are you ready to make an octagon? So am I. So an octagon has got 8 equal sides. So it should move, let's say 100 steps. That is kind of a signature move now. 100 steps, and it has to turn 45 degrees. Should it turn 45 degrees? What do you say? No, it shouldn't, because we always take the outer angle. Yes, we are always supposed to take the outer angle, which is 45 degrees. Haha. And it should repeat 8 times, because an octagon has 8 sides, and the wait 1 second is very important. Let us see what will we get after this. It turned 45 degrees. The space is a bit less, isn't it? Okay, so we will have to draw it again. I'm sorry. We have to clear it now. Okay, so the move 100 steps is a bit much for our octagon. Let's keep it 50. And let's see what will we get now. Isn't that a perfect octagon? All the sum of angles is 360 degree, but the outer angle here is 45 degree because the inner angle here is 135 degree. Wasn't that fun? So come back tomorrow and we are going to make a design with octagons. It is going to be so fun. Bye!